Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can redeem your Walmart gift card. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel cause we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So for this, go to your browser and type walmart.com and go to the website, and after you come to walmart.com you should log into your account. But over here I've already logged into my account, as you guys can see. But if you haven't logged into your account, you can just go to your account and click on login, and you should be able to log into your account. After you log into your account, you can click on account and click on account again, which is right below track order. Once you're in your account, you can go here where it says payment method, click on it, and over here you can click on gift cards, click on add a gift card. Now you can add the gift card number, your PIN and security code, and the gift card nickname, and click on save, and then you should be able to redeem the gift card. So that's basically it. So that's how you add a gift card. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.